In the beginning, there was only one, a single black infinitude. Then the infinitude found release, and finally the darkness broke, filling it with life. With the multiverse. Every existence multiplied by possibility and spread out before space and time in infinite measure. Civilizations rose and fell and rose again across reality's grasping expanse. Life, a precious gift, persevering in the face of every obstacle until finally the age of heroes was born. Chaos, the constant enemy of life, kept at bay by champions from across the multiverse. Forces to fight on behalf of all creation. They found each other just in time. Because now the entire multiverse is about to come under attack. There is a malevolent force at work, one driven by a singular goal.
I hope you're watching, big guy.
The destruction of all there is. I have planned. There are those who say I have schemed. But the time for preparation is past. The crisis is now upon us all.